Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, good morning everyone. Let me introduce myself. My name is Maharani Rizkyanda, and today I'm going to presentation about people on the periodic table. First of all, with my honor and respect to Miss Galuh as lecturers of English, and to all of you guys who watching this video, wherever and whenever you are on a wonderful day, hopefully. And I hope you are all enjoy and keep focused on this presentation. Before I start it, I want all of you guys to think about all the substance or methods that you can see in our class that we usually use. Can you help me to mention any of this? You can mention and drop it on the comment section at below. Yes, of course, there are so many methods that you can see in this class, such as the air or oxygen that we use to breathe, the aluminum on your seats, until the wood on the cupboard, right? The next question is, are all of the substances are the same? Obviously not. The metals that make up the world are quite different from the substance in the air around you. So, how many different substances there can be? And how do we classify all of the metals on the earth? Because of that, there is a big questions that people asked 100 years ago. Of course, these people have succeeded in publishing a great system. A system, we can use this system to study all of the matters on the earth easier. The slides are show a glimpse of matters. As you can see, because of many elements that exist, people can arrange them into some words. For example, I think critically and never stop it's inside of you. And words I think radically containing the elements thorium, iodine, nitrogen, and potassium. In words never stop is containing neon, vanadium, and anyone else. The system is assembled on the table, or we also known as system periodic table. So now we can define the periodic table as a tabular array that organizes all the chemical elements in rows called periods and columns called groups according to increasing atomic number. So now all of you guys must wondering who are the people behind of it, because on this section I wanna tell you about the several people behind on the periodic table. I hope you are all enjoy and keep focused on this presentation. The several people are behind on the periodic table. The first one is Anthony Lavoisier. In 1789, Lavoisier was grouped 33 elements into 4 groups based on chemical properties. 4 groups are gas, earth, metal, and non-metal. There is a weaknesses and strengths on his theory. Weaknesses on his theory is still too, his grouping is still too common, and strengths on his theory is the theory can be used as a reference for scientists afterwards. The next one is John Dalton. In 1808, Dalton suggested that the elements consisting of different atoms have different properties and masses too. So, he classified 36 elements by the increasing atomic mass. As you can see on the left of the slides, there is a list of elements that are arranged by Dalton. The element is hydrogen, carbon, oxygen, phosphorus, sulfur, and the others. The next one is John Jacob Berzelius. In 1828, Berzelius published a more accurate list of the atomic masses of the elements because of some mistakes or error in list element by Dalton. The next one is Johann Brenner. In 1829, Dobrynin classified the element based on their similar properties, and it was known as the triad Dobrynin. As you can see in this slide, there is a triad Dobrynin's table. The table shows that if three elements have similar in atomic mass properties, so the atomic mass of the second or middle element is the average atomic mass of the first and third element. As you can see, the atomic weight of lithium is 6.9 and the atomic weight of calcium is 36.1, and the average both of these is 23, and this is the atomic weight of natrium in the middle of the third element. The next one is John Newlands. In 1865, Newlands classified groups elements by increment relative atomic mass. His theory was put in the law of octaves, and the law stated that the properties of the element change drastically. On the slides, there is a table of elements according to Newland's law of octaves. Next one is Loder-Meyer. In 1969, Meyer arranged the element based on the increasing atomic mass vertically. Elements with similar properties can form columns, and it is called groups, whereas elements in the same number of electron shells can form the same rows. The next one is Dmitry Mendeleev. In 1869, by observation of around 63 elements, Mendeleev concluded that the element had similar internal properties. One vertical column is called groups, and the element in one period have increments their relative atomic masses. This theory is applied in a table called Mendeleev's periodic table. This is the Mendeleev's periodic system. There is 8 of group and there is a 10 of period. And the periodic system of Mendeleev, there is empty space, and this is one of the weaknesses on his theory. Next one is Henry G. Moseley. In 1930, Moseley discovered the atomic number of an element based on X-rays. According to his research, he found that the number of atoms increases as the atomic mass increases. On the basis of his theory, he created and published the periodic table or modern periodic system as we know it today. This is a system periodic table that we use now, and we use this table to study all of the matters on the Earth easier. Last but not least, the conclusion on this presentation is because of many elements that exist on the Earth, the scientists compiled several theories to assemble elements into one system gradually over 100 years. The 8 scientists filled each other's weaknesses, then created the system periodic table that we know today, and used the system to study all of the matters on the Earth easier. The 8 scientists are behind of periodic table are Antonio Lavoisier, John Dalton, John Jacob Berzelius, Johann Dobrynin, John Newlands, Loder-Meyer, Dmitry Mendeleev, and Henry J. Moseley. That's all from me. Thank you for your attention, and I'm sorry if I made mistakes. Once again, thank you for your attention, and thank you for all of you guys who watching this video until the end. See you next time, and bye-bye. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.